Hello guys, it's another creation. I've just used about maybe an hour or two with help from my son to create or to build this a small desk which will be used for our water kiosk in the petrol station side. So basically, I just go around. I've just put a coating of Pinochet. Pinochet is an outdoor paint because I didn't have any other paint really. I would have put a white or a clear varnish, but unfortunately I didn't have it. So I decided just to put this thing. So this thing, this thing is made of scrap. Those 2x2s were remains of a previous project. The top part was plywood, which was a project that remained and it stayed for a very long time until even it got bent. In fact, it still has some imperfections. And then the others, I just collected some scraps and pieces of wood and put it together. So this is it. So this is made of plywood, that is 3/4 plywood. And then this section, the design is, this was a scrap piece, that exactly the way it was. So what I did, ideally that this, the dado, which was, it was to come down from here all the way down there, just like this one, from this corner to that corner. And unfortunately it was not enough, so I said, why that opening can be a design by itself, and it has become very well. So this is purely designed by myself. There are no drawings. I just said cut here, measure here, and it has come out very well. So maybe I would be putting some drawings so that in fact most of the people who are watching this are there. So I created, because this will be used by my our clerk, the water the water we have a water kiosk clerk. So I created a desk where she could put some documents. So here it is. So when it's complete, it looks so the whole thing is, I'm sure if I go to the market that this could be about 10,000 Kenyan shillings. That's about $100 approximate. If I had gone to the furniture shop and then say that I needed a simple desk like this, made of chipboard. No, this is really dense wood. In fact, even here, this drawer here, the front cover is out of scrap wood, MDF, which was for our kitchen project. This one remains about 12 years ago. So generally, that is what I wanted to show you. So just take you around through. So the thing is, so guys, especially for those guys who are in the farm, you want to do something very quickly for maybe to solve a small problem. So this is it. So just check it. See, if you have any comments, just inbox me, ask me as many questions as possible. If you need the drawings or you need the dimensions, I can go back and really take the measurements. But now this desk will be loaded into that double cup. It will be used today. It will start being used today. So I'm just waiting for it to dry, and then I'll take it there. Thank you guys.